This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Renata Mason. Custom home nestled in a natural setting surrounded by peaceful sounds and wildlife. Light streams through every room. Versatile floor plan including sunroom, sewing room and sitting room centers around gourmet kitchen featuring maple cabinets with pull-outs, double oven, climate control pantry, and gas cooktop, open to living and dining room. Mill suite includes own laundry, bath and sitting room. Multiple decks and patio to take in the peaceful setting. Fenced extensive gardens, orchards, multiple outbuildings, chicken coop, greenhouse and amazing outdoor processing / canning area. Perfect haven, capturing the dreams of the avid gardener, the joyful spirit of gatherings, allowing both privacy and room to grow. It is a magical place to call your own. For more information, review the details below.